In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable click locking on your Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath interaction, select mouse. Should be something that says click lock, enables you to highlight or drag without holding down the mouse button. Click on size oval to toggle it on, and then you can adjust the amount of time that the mouse button needs to be down to lock, to left or right, depending on how you want to set that time interval. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.